Owutu rédíò Owutu àti pé Owutu TV FM ṣáà máa sùn yẹ ká jà ìlọ Owutu FM lọ́gbọ̀n ṣe.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ọ̀tún àtòsí rí lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ní bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta sí mélòó sẹ́yìn wípé lára àwọn tí wọ́n mú pé wọ́n nípa ń bẹ̀ wọ́n á kó wọn wá sí ilé ẹjọ́ lónìí and the court took their pleas and so on and so forth. So that's all we can still say for now.
So going forward, what should people expect as regards this case?
Well, the truth is that we are in the course of justice, so people should expect nothing but justice to the both parties.
And to people out there, sir, what would you tell them as regards what happened?
You see, the matter is presently in court. I cannot really say much about what really happened because I should have expected that as a lawyer, we should allow the court to conclude with its findings, before any further discussion. Of course, we all heard about the allegation of this and that leveled against her. So, and she has taken a step by approaching the police, and she was never involved in such. And those who are alleged have equally been brought before the court for them to come and prove their case against her.
Ẹjọ́ yẹn wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́nu báyìí. Àlẹ́ rí pé àwọn tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ náà ni ọkọ̀ wa nílé ẹjọ́ láàrin ẹ̀kọ́ tán. Ìgbẹ́jọ́ yẹn ibi ló gbé dúró báyìí kí ni adájọ́ sọ ìfúnná ń gbé lọ sí next stage.
Àìtí ìrírí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ trial as at today. Wọ́n kàn take plea wọn ni wọ́n wá adjourn matter fún trial. So lẹ́ni sìn ṣé o jẹ̀bi àbó jẹ̀bi wọ́n láwọn ò jẹ̀bi. So now we are about going into trial.
Báwo ni ẹ sọ?
Court has adjourned the matter till on the 11th of March.
Orúkọ yín lẹ́kùnrin rẹ̀ sọ?
Ọlábìyí Adémọ́lá.
So tí ẹ wá ká.
Owutu FM, Owutu FM, ó bẹ ní Kòròdú lágíríkì. Owutu FM, bàbá màmá ẹ̀gbọ́n pẹ̀lú àbúrò. Owutu FM ní kẹ́ máa gbọ́, Owutu TV ní kẹ́ máa wò. Owutu.